Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. Okay, but before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so if you have any question, drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trade indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, so this actually got to the support region and it's switching to an uptrend, and we can see it buying till the end of this trend. Okay, so it has gotten to the resistance zone and it's trying to go back down, but it didn't go too far before going back up. Okay, if it should break out above this resistance zone, then definitely it will keep on buying, but if it does not, then it will start a downtrend properly. Okay, I already have some TPs highlighted for us if the downtrend kick off right from there, so we should take note of that. So this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. This actually sold till it got to this particular support zone. Okay, and in the morning I told you guys that okay, this is going to buy and it will try to achieve this first. Okay, it has achieved it, and after that it should achieve this, and you can see it is heading towards it. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So for those of you who actually saw the video in the morning, congratulations to you guys. Okay, and of course for Paynex 1200, this particular asset has been moving in between this channel, and I explained this to you guys in the morning. And if you should notice, it has been moving in between the channel truly. Okay, you can also milk within the channel, okay, by buying when it gets to the lower part of the channel and selling when you get to the upper part of the channel. So far it did not break out from any of the parts. Okay, then you are good to go. Okay, so right now this is selling right now. Okay, so it is more of a selling opportunity at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 999. Like I told you earlier today, this has been on downtrend, and yesterday I drew out this trend line because it tried to go back on uptrend but was unable to activate it. So it broke out below the support zone again to sell more. So this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so this is more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Okay, guys, I also explained this earlier today. FX volume 80 has been on downtrend since yesterday and gave us a downtrend signal. And of course, we got our entry point at this point. Our stop loss right here, TP1 achieved, 2 achieved, 3 achieved. And of course, heading towards fourth TP and fifth TP. So this is still selling right now. So this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you start trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly subscribe to this channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.